The government is eyeing the filing of charges against the Discayas over unfinished work of the Philippine Film Heritage Building in Intramuros, Maynila. Here is the report.
The reconstruction of the Philippine Heritage Building in Intramuros was supposed to be finished yesterday. However, during an inspection by First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, several issues were discovered. The cinema is still under construction. The elevator is not fully finished, and some rooms have cement floors instead of tiles. The contractor of the project is Great Pacific Builders and General Contractor Incorporated, a company linked to the Discaya family. It had a contract price exceeding 107 million pesos.
Dapat lang nilang ayusin. At tignan natin kung ano pa ang magagawa nila. Kasi kung wala silang magagawa, lalo itong hindi magiging maganda ang resulta, might as well, humarap na lang sila sa kaso.
First Lady Liza is disappointed, especially since this project was intended to house the Film Development Council of the Philippines.
Una, sabi niya, pakiramdam niya is, tayo pa ba na nasa gobyerno, magbibigay lang sana ng regalo sa film industry. Siya pang naloko. Hindi ba? So, mas masakit yun. Pero hindi pa po natin nakausap ang Pangulo patungkol dito. Pero definitely, pag nalaman din niya to, magagalit po yun.
Castro went on to say that this incident shows the problems go beyond flood control projects. The palace officer also vowed that the government will ensure that the Discayas complete the work and may pursue charges.
Pwede sila makasuhan, unang-una, civil liability, meron to. Diba? Kung meron makikitang panloloko, hindi ikakailan na pwede sila makasuhan ng estafa.
For News 5, Maricel Halili, We Are One News.